Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn about code player. This is the project view we are assigning you to understand how easy you are going to play your code within a single HTML form. So far, we have learned HTML, CSS, and JS, how it is going to be interacting with HTML with the mixing of these three along with jQuery. So now it is highly required you to practice all these things at single place. How it is, we'll see now. This is the div tag ID test. It is here. See now, hello world. It is prepared here. Now when I press run, it is printed as hello world as an output. How the browser it is going to be displaying. And here you can observe HTML and result is two parts only. It is open, two windows we can call it as. And if I press CSS, one more window it will comes. Now you can write the CSS for this div tag to change this hello world color. How it is? We are writing CSS at the style tag. Let's see here, like a div open and braces. Within this color, and I can say that red. Now run this. See how beauty it is. Wonder. Most of the things we are seeing here itself. It is applied red. And if you want to change something around like yellow, let's see run yellow. It's not visible here. So I can apply green or N. Green. Run. You will get the green color. Yes. And similarly, you can write with the jQuery like a JavaScript as well. See, simple alert I'll write here. Alert of hello world. That's it. Run. You see the hello world from the embedded page with this JavaScript. It's running. So called at the single window, you can try to practice more and more. This is we are going to offering what enrolled. We are offering to this particular source at all. Now see, this is the source we'll get at glance. This is the code player.html form, style cities, and applied here for this coming to know the form like document.location.search it is coming and script type it is applied there. And these are the body, it is prepared for container, menu bar, logo, along with the text, the IDs for the run ID, the toggle of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JS, and the result. These are the things are designed here. And moreover, these are the classes for HTML containers codes and the CSS codes, JavaScript, and output we have seen there. By handling these things, we are called these objects of the height. See, this is the code lines we have prepared here. And now this is the code for very simple, the containing of the height, weight, lines bar, when we are resizing the windows to lower and toggle, all will ready-made functionality you will get it. By enrolling the course, you will get this simple project by practice yourself. Or else you can make sure that to take a copy of this code by here itself. Like holding the screen and you take your code of by taking something like a type or whichever tool you comfortable to use. See here. This is about to you can fix very easily. Or else you can try to find out a code player in Google. You will find out if it is possible to find out a code player. You just take it out of the code and practice your way. I hope you are very simple tip and simple tools you have learned for this simple project of code player. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.